Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ananya and this is Thoughtful Creation 27. So this is a different vlog. This is a vlog where we are not crocheting. As you saw in the thumbnail, we have a huge yarn haul and I have been waiting to compile 2 or 3 packages for me to make this video for you all so that I can show all of my yarns together, because I bought some yarns for new products which I'll be launching soon. Apart from that, there are 2 to 3 colors, I guess 2 colors, which are already there for open orders. I'll show you those. So let's get into it. Firstly, I opened this. I have started this, but still it's a newly opened package. This is a color which is, I think this is the 3rd time I'm making a cardigan in this color. As you can see, it reminds you of a rainforest, doesn't it? At least to me it does. So this is the first yarn and this is 100% acrylic yarn. The rest is still packed in packages, so let me open it and then I will show you. This is the yarn for another cardigan and this is a combination of bright pinks and light pink. As you can see, it's packed. I'm not going to open this because the colors are shown very clearly and this will go everywhere. I still have to make this, so let's keep it in the packet. And this is also 100% acrylic. Also, I will link the the website link from where I've got the yarns. There are 2 different websites. So let's move on to the bigger package. It's quite heavy and it's quite big, so let's open this. Let me tell you, I have to be a little careful because it's packed very nicely so that I don't tear the package inside it. I think I did that. I did exactly what I was not supposed to do. Oh god. Let's see. Okay, so this is not double packed. No, it was double packed. I tore through it. Okay. It could have been worse. The yarn did not cut, thankfully. I don't know why I did that. This is a big packet. I should have been careful. But anyway. Let me take this out and then I will show you all the yarn. So this is the huge packet. And this is where I did tear it off by mistake. I will tape it up because I don't want to tear this. It's a big packet and I do not have a big packet, like big enough packet for this yarn, and I want to show you each and every yarn. So let me tape it up and then I will show you each and every yarn. The first yarn is a 4-weight 100% acrylic yarn, anti-pill, and it's in the color brick red. You can see it's a little bright in the camera, but you can see the color now. This is how it's looking. This is the first. Second is, first I will show you all the acrylic yarns. Is another color, all 4-weight, and this is light a light purple, but here it's written Vervain. The color name here is Vervain. So here it is. It's like an onion purple or lavender, but on the brighter side. This is the second color. Next one is like a chocolate brown, I think. Yes, the color itself is chocolate brown. The next one is baby peach. It's a beautiful peach color. Bright, light, pale orange peach. Next is a bright yellow. The color name is daffodil yellow. As you can see, it's a very beautiful yellow color, vibrant. Next is white, our plain old white, easy. Okay, so another one of our acrylic, this color is light blue. well, plain and simple, light blue. It appears a little more bright on the screen, but it's a little lighter than it's appearing on the screen, let me tell you. Blue and two colors of green. One is a little muddy green, which is called khaki, and the other is a dark green. Let me tell you, I'm planning to make flowers out of this, the crochet flowers. So we have green, we have a brown, a yellow to make sunflowers, a red for rose, and the other colors I have chosen to make tulips out of. So hopefully they will go as according to plan. But these were the 4-weight solid colors acrylic. These were the 4-weight yarns. Let's move on to the multicolor yarns. So guys, before moving on to the next yarn, I just remembered I also have a bag full of yarn which I thought I will record for a yarn haul. Forgot I will be including them in this. So let's move on to the packet we've opened first. So the next yarn is a multicolored yarn, and this is it. I mean, there are several balls of yarn because this is for a cardigan order. So this is the multicolored yarn, and it has yellow, mustard shade yellow, a magenta pink, 2 types of purple, green and blue. See? Isn't this just beautiful? The colorway, I am sure it's going to be gorgeous. So I think I have around 9 of these. So let's keep this aside, I showed you. Now we have assortment of 3-weight cotton yarn, and I just did not just buy them just because I like them. I had a project in mind for them so that it will be used. So this is the first color for this is a beige powder. The color name is beige powder. So this is the beige color yarn, and with this I have thought about the project being a bouquet blanket, if you can say, or a huge bouquet tablecloth, which is also a table mat as well as a bouquet. So this is the base of that, and the flowers I have decided will be 2 colors, these 2, or maybe just one, actually not this one, pink and maroon. So this color is a powder pink, you can see, and this one is claret. The color name is claret. It's a deep rich maroon color. The next one is a rose pink. It's a very deep bright pink, and 3 more of the cotton yarn. This is a leaf green, bright green, also leaf for the bouquet in the blanket. This is off-white, it is off-white, so it is not clearly white but slightly creamish white. And lastly, this one is a mustard, you can see. So for the next packet, this was all the yarn, and this is the multicolored yarn. Let me keep all this yarn back into the packet, and I will open the next one to show you. I almost forgot. In this packet, I had also ordered a little packet of stitch markers because some of my stitch markers got lost. So I thought, why not just buy one more? And a 3.5 handled hook. I have a 3.5 hook, but it did not have a handle, and it's quite thin to hold and work to make keychains and small crochet projects. So here is a 3.5mm crochet hook. Okay, so the bag of yarn I just told you about is this, and this is the packet I just opened. Because it has the same brand of yarn and different colors, so I thought, why not show them at the same time. So let me open them because this is packed. Let me open it and I will show you the yarn. So the first is a different brand of yarn but also acrylic 4-weight yarn, I had a little bit of red. I bought a little more red because I wanted to make a long scarf. So here is the red which I already have. I made a Christmas themed custom cardigan. So from that I have a whole one skein and a little bit of red, and I bought 2 more. So I think that would be enough for a scarf. So we'll be making that soon. Apart from that, these 2 colors are for a different project. I am hoping to make a cat beanie out of it. So yes, every yarn has a project decided. So these are the 4 yarn. Also, I just found out I also ordered a 6.5 hook. I had been searching a 6.5mm hook with a handle. Finally I found it in this website. I was so happy because yes, this is a very nice 6.5 hook, but this keeps slipping in the cold weather from my hands, or sometimes it's hard to grip. So I needed a handled hook. We'll be using that. Hopefully it works for me. So let's keep this aside. The next yarn is also multicolored yarn, but I think this is 3-weight. Yes, this is a 3-weight yarn and acrylic. You can see it's a beautiful shade of turquoise and green. All this is just my yarn haul, not sponsored. So next yarn is again the same brand but a different shade, and I have in mind to make maybe fingerless gloves, scarves or beanies. Definitely beanies because it's a 3-weight and it has a lot of yarn. It has around 267 meters in one skein. So hopefully that will be enough to make one beanie. Also, these were the 2 colors. The rest of the 2 colors are, so I shoot these vlogs on my phone and the storage went full, and I discovered that I was talking and it was not recording. So I'm recording it again. This is the 3rd one, and I have 2 of these. So I showed you this is the 3rd color, and I have 2 more of the same brand, all multicolored 3-weight yarn acrylic. You can see, aren't these just beautiful? I'm very excited to work with these. And the last 2 skeins are not skeins but cakes, and it is a blend of mohair plus I think it's acrylic and mohair. It's 84% acrylic and 8% mohair and 8% wool. So this is the first skein, and these will be turning into beautiful shawls and will be available on my Etsy shop. So you'll get a vlog when I make this, and also just as I upload the vlog, this will be launched on my shop. So this is the first color. This is a thin light 3-weight yarn and it is quite long. It's 810 meters, so quite long. The first color, and the second color is this. You see? Yeah. I think this is the center pull. So 2 multicolored yarns, and I'm very excited to make this. I used, I think, and this is called a shawly yarn. So shawl it is, and this is a thin, it's quite thin. It's quite thin than a 3-weight, but this is how thin it is. You can see. So this will be quite warm, fuzzy, super soft and flowy shawls. So these 2. I am not able to hold all the yarns. These are some of them. So you can see the yarn haul, guys. So this is our yarn haul, and I had fun showing you this. Let me keep this down. My arms are hurting. Let me keep this down. So that will be it for this vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed sharing and showing you all the yarn that I bought, and I hope you like this. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more future vlogs. And I will see you in the next vlog. Bye guys.